Today we're going to talk about a tale of two amaryllis plants. Now there's a lot of information on the internet about how to grow amaryllis bulbs. Maybe even more information about what to do with amaryllis bulbs after flowering. So I'm reaching out to you today because I've kind of reached a little conundrum. I'm kind of confused. So I'm hoping you can help me out here. So let me give you a little history. I'm fairly new at growing amaryllis bulbs. My first experience was last winter, and I was gifted some amaryllis bulbs. Now I've got 8. After they bloomed over Christmas holiday, I researched what to do, and in our case, I let the leaves and the stalks die back, and I cut them down to within like a couple inches above the bulb, and then put them in our garage for the winter. Well, come February and March, little green leaf shoots and bulb tips just started coming up. Great! And in this case, there were 2 little shoots that came up, and I was excited because I was going to have twins. And this one, green shoots came up, just leaves. So here's the difference, and I want to share this with you so you can kind of help me out here. This one, this summer, now it's August, has produced very thick, beautiful, stunning leaves. No flower stalk. I get that. They don't always do that. This one, on the other hand, stunning, right? Last winter produced 1 flower stalk. And the bulb is pretty small. This one's probably 4 or 5 inches across. This one is fairly small, and it's produced 2 stalks. And each stalk has 6 flowers on it. It's amazing. So this kind of breaks the rules. Most sources will tell you that big bulb, multiple flowers. Small bulb, maybe 1 stalk, and that's it. So I'm kind of wondering what's going on here. This bulb, by the way, is kind of soft, so I'm a little concerned that it might just die after blooming. Kind of like salmon do. Salmon die after they come upstream and they spawn and then they die. This is just kind of the routine that we experience here in Kodiak, Alaska. We get this. We understand this. So if you have any suggestions or any advice that you want to share with me so we can all learn, hey, I am all for it. The best part about all this is I've learned how to take these little babies and start my own set of bulbs for my favorite colored flowers. And I see that, oh yay, this one's got 2 little babies. So even if this butte does die, well, at least I've got some offspring. So there you go. I'll see you in the next video. Leave your comments below. I appreciate you being here, and keep your hands in the dirt and your eyes on the stars. Have a great day. Cheers.